Shady Oaks Farm and Outdoors. Well, today we are going to work on the soffit on this first covered deck. And as I promised you, I'm going to show you a new material. It's been out for a while, but you've probably never seen it. It's called Versatech, which Versatech's been out a while. They sell a lot of PVC products, but this one's called the Versatech Canvas Series. And what it is, it's got a wrap on it, and you can get this vinyl wrap, which is warranted for, I think, 30 years, something like that. But it's great for soffit, especially a covered deck here. This is called Macor. They make it in a walnut and several other colors. We're using almost like a walnut color, but a little bit lighter. But anyway, this goes on the soffit. We're going to put this in the tongue and groove, and we're going to put this on the soffit. And so we're going to get started here with the first piece. First piece is going to be tricky, and after that, it shouldn't be too bad. You just nail these with stainless steel nails, not galvanized. You nail them in a tongue every 16 inches on center. And anyway, looks really good. And it's like I say, probably most of you have never seen it before, but we found this product and did our research on it, and it's going to be really cool looking when we get done. So let's get started. So this first piece, I'm going to screw a 2x4 up here. Hope you can see it from that angle over there. And we're just going to screw a 2x4 3/4 inches down, just kind of help us hold that first piece up, since we're only two of us. And these boards are like 14 feet long, so. I was going to use that Versatech as a sample here. Might be better than that, huh? Hold it like that.
Yeah.
A little bit below, maybe.
Yeah, a little below to give you some.
That's probably good.
You gotta get it in there.
Hold down a little. Oh, there you go. Got it? Okay. So we're trying to be careful with these extra pieces we got here. This piece she's got is not a scrap. That piece will be used, if you look at our house, I don't know what the latest video I got out there, but this piece will be used in a gable and a timber frame portion of it. So we want to be very careful. We don't want to damage them. So the first piece, we're leaving a 1/4 inch spacing on both sides. And then also we're leaving a 1/4 inch spacing against the beam here. And what we did is we went ahead, it's about 5 1/8 inch wide, this board is, and we're making it 5 3/8, and we chalked a line up here. So we'll keep our board out here on this chalk line, 5 3/8, and then we'll have to face nail them here, and then we'll tail nail into the tongue on this side over here. So this is our first one. Very important to get it straight. Makes everything else run straight. All right, first piece, very gentle.
Very gentle. Don't want to mess up our siding.
Don't want to mess up our siding. Don't want to mess up our piece. So we're going to bow it. We got to get it in the siding. You're going first. Let me get down further. Hold on. All right, go up. All the way over. All the way over. All the way over. Right about to there. You got it?
Yeah.
Put my piece up. Give me a little bit. All right. Get it up above the 2x4. Make sure that doesn't catch on that one. If you're on the screws, you're catching on the screws, honey. Back off. Back off. There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to nail the back, face nail it. So we're using a cordless pass load, 2-inch nails.
And do you want to check with the pencil behind it?
No.
No?
Hey, these cordless nails are great. Not having a hose.
Careful where you step.
Pull it out a little bit. Pull it out.
More?
Alright, right there. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we face nailed it, and then we'll go back, and we're going to nail the tongue in there.
That doesn't keep the other one from sliding. Go in.
Yeah, I feel like better like this.
Yeah.
So hopefully those last two don't give us a problem.
Can you take a punch and push it in farther if you got to?
Maybe. Because you'll never see them here.
Right, because the next one, yeah.
Uh-oh. That didn't sound good.
Are you out?
No, the gas could be dead.
That's what I'm saying, you're out of air.
No, that just sounds funny. Yeah, battery's dead.
Shoot. Well,
And
so much for that.
so much for that. Only bad thing about battery operated nail guns is you have to charge the battery up. All right, let's put another one up before the battery goes dead.
And put yours in.
All right. So stay about an inch or so away from it. Okay, you got it? Ready? Put it up in the siding.
Yeah, look at all that.
No, honey, let's not worry about that.
Okay.
All right, you got it? Push up against there?
Yep.
All right. We are back, trying to get the soffit done. We just cut out for a box. I didn't show that cutting it out, but we got one more box, one more cutout to put up here. I don't know if you can see us or not. The problem is the camera's facing toward the light, and we're back here in a dark area, so not sure how well it's going to show up or not. We're going to put up the soffit. I'll show you when it's done anyway. We're going to take a measurement from the next box over here. You want to go from your end?
That's up to you.
That's fine.
Whichever one you prefer.
Open yours and hook it on your piece there, okay? How much space you got? Measure how much space you got there. Just to see. Measure it. Measure it. And I can just subtract it. Do I need more measure? I probably do. Maybe like? I've never heard of a measurement, maybe like. I'm asking my wife for a measurement, and it's a maybe like measurement.
Like maybe 3/8. Something like that.
It's maybe like 3/8.
It's a bit.
You know what they say? Teach her how to read a tape measure. Maybe like. It either is or isn't 3/8. I'm glad she doesn't work for a contractor. Hey, it's maybe like a ½ inch there.
You don't have to include it in that, you know.
Maybe like 172 inches and 1/2, but it could be under. Throw it up this way and then we'll turn it over. Okay.
Yeah.
We're back. We didn't leave you. Just don't fall.
And that's the goal.
Can't afford no accidents.
That's the goal, not to fall.
All right.
Okay.
Pick it up, flip it over. All right, last one here. We gotta mess with the box. I'll keep mine down. You go ahead. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
You get mine up here. All right. All right. You ordered box first. I hope you gotta come down my way a lot. Oh, hold on, hold on. All right, there. There you go. Let's get it in there. We'll adjust it. Okay.
I'm just trying to get mine in.
Yeah, right down here. There you go. All right, we're good. All right, how you going?
Very good.
My box is good. You can give me a little bit if you want to. I don't care. Whoops, too much. Right there? You want more? A little more? You're good.
Let me see. I mean, there's room on both sides, so.
I know, but you want a little bit more or not? I got room on both sides. I'm good.
How's your expansion gap?
Huh?
Got plenty of room for your expansion gap?
Yeah, plenty.
Yeah, I do too.
I'm good then. Let's keep it like that.
Okay.
Got it all dirty there.
Yeah, just put it up, huh? Although, this one's not really dirty, it's the other one.
You good?
Make sure that's tight.
Huh? It's tight. Tight as you can go.
Is it tight? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, on the end down there, just make sure you shove up there, okay? Turn it more,
Like that?
angle it more, angle it, no, angle
Like
it,
this?
the other way. Yeah, shoot it back, no, look at it. Shoot it back this way. You wanna get it right up in there or shoot it back that way? Not in this.
No, you want it in the flat part.
In the flat part, just angle it. Angle it, there you go. How's that go? That's good, that's good for here.
Yeah, that one really good.
Yeah, that's good. Now you get the hang of it. Now the flat part and then angle it. You don't want it up in here like I've been doing sometimes. Make sure you don't have your finger anywhere. There.
Huh?
Make sure you don't have your finger anywhere laying on. Don't have your finger laying like along that joist
Oh, yeah.
because that nail could hit a knot, fly out of there.
Oh, you mean your hand's back here?
Like here. You don't want your hand right here
Oh, yeah,
holding
yeah,
it.
Yeah,
You can have a nail come out and
right,
get your finger.
yeah.
Just tap that in down there. Yeah, that's good. Just make sure. Bang up your hand if you have to, you know. Good?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
That one's stood out a little bit.
Oh, that's fine.
And the end one's a tricky one.
Yeah, angle it. Remember, you're not going to see it anyway, just more angle. Good job, huh?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Our first boxes. Now they should fly along. We'll be back. Gonna cut some more. The only difference on cutting these is no big deal. I'm not gonna show cutting these. Nothing fancy. You cut these with the vinyl side down, or this wood grain side down. Now, like I say, there's a vinyl wrap on these things, so you don't want to tear the wrap up. So, cut them with the wrap side down. That's the only, no different than cutting decking or anything else. Alright, it's quitting time. It's too dark out here. We're making things worse. You can't see. There's no point. Not that big a hurry. We want to do it right. That last one was a lot tougher than it should have been. Alright, we'll come back tomorrow. Don't say anything.
Hi,
Smile
folks.
for the camera.
Hey, folks. You got your nail gun?
I'm playing on the floor.
Might need that.
We don't need no dang nail gun. We're gonna spin them up there. All right, we are back for the final, finishing up the one porch. Warm back here.
It's nice out, really.
It is nice. It was a nice balmy 65 degrees today.
Not
November 20, what is it, 4th today?
I think 23rd, probably.
23rd? Oh well, I'm off today. Still balmy. We're gonna see if we can manage to get the last 3 up.
Gets harder the more narrow it gets.
Yeah, it's getting harder because we're over our heads.
I'm up over the siding, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not down here where your hand's at. There you go. Hold on, I'm not. There you go. That's that leaf. That old tricky spot right there.
Yeah, need somebody in the middle.
Alright. Whew. That was a tough one.
I got a big gap at the end.
All right, hang on.
Chances are you don't have anything.
Alright, your way. Yeah. You good?
Yeah, how about you?
I'm fine. You got enough, I got
You
enough.
feel it?
I don't need to feel it, you got enough.
I got a finger width.
Should have. Yeah.
Okay.
20. Alright. Little tap tap. Make sure it's sitting right there. Got to screw a nail down here. Always wants to be stubborn. Alright, let me pop mine in. go. You look good. Now, I know you look good. I meant the board look good.
Yeah. I don't need the mallet, huh?
No, it looks good.
Getting tight quarters over here.
Tight corners. Got 2 more to put up. Get your fingers out of there, don't be shooting them. 1 more, right there. I got my spot for the run. That was my spot. I had a little piece of plastic here. That didn't help it. That thing was a bear. All right, I'm up and in.
We're not up yet.
All right.
Okay. You got probably tons of room. I got a little bit.
I'll give you some.
As long as there's a little bit.
I got lots of room.
Come your way here.
Well, you gotta push my way. There.
That's fine. Oh, that's plenty. Do you have enough?
Yeah, I got lots. All right, don't move it. I don't want it to fall out.
Just a little gap in the
Out,
middle.
out, 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 out. I'll be down there in a second. I'll nail it.
Can't use the other end of the mallet.
Huh? No.
Can't get it in there.
No. No.
Are you sure you're tight?
Yes. I'm just as tight as I can ever go. This is gonna be fun.
You put it sideways?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. No. Might have to just nail it, face nail it.
You can't get it sideways?
Nope, base nail it.
Could be close. Not sure how that's gonna work out.
Interfering with the groove?
Huh?
Is it interfering with the groove?
Yeah.
You can't get it on the slanted part. If you do, the next one's not going in.
Really?
Yeah. Did you get it on the slanted?
I'm working on it.
Well, you don't want it on the slanted part.
I think he knows.
Okay, we need to hammer this in a little bit.
Pretty good, honey.
No, there's a gap here. Maybe it's that tip of that spur.
Looks pretty darn good.
No, it's not. There's a gap. Won't do any more.
You have a gap down the end down there. You're not gonna get the hammer down in there. It's fine for me. fine.
There's a tiny gap.
I don't see a gap. You keep talking about a gap. There's no gap there. It's your imagination. It's just a shadow. Yes, it is. It's a shadow line.
Okay.
I promise you, you're not gonna put anything between there.
I'll let you do this.
Yep, just move out of the way. So I don't fall. It hurts when I fall.
Getting tricky.
Yeah. All right. Woo! That was a fun one.
I don't know how we're gonna do the next one.
Huh?
I don't know how we're gonna do the
You're
next
just gonna
one.
have to be
Go right
shy.
here.
Huh?
You're gonna be shy,
On the siding.
yeah, of the siding,
Yeah, you're
might
putting
be-
trim up there anyway.
Alright, you might be shy an inch, but
You're not gonna go up behind the siding.
no, you still gotta be able to slide it into the groove too, so.
Yeah.
Right, that's the trick.
Really, you can only go the width between the siding and the start of the tongue.
Right.
You know, might just have to take a pry bar, as long as we can get
Carol, it doesn't make a difference. You got a quarter inch between here and the
a,
siding.
no, I mean just to push it into the groove.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a problem, like you can only measure from the siding to the tongue.
Yeah.
That's, and then it's gonna slide into the
My
tongue.
problem is this, there's trim piece.
I think you need to notch around that.
Yeah, I know. All right, so we'll do that. We'll do a quarter. Right, you got a measurement right down, Carolyn?
No?
All right, it don't matter. 3 inches. 3 inches by.
Why is that one, is it higher over there?
3 inches by quarter inch. Okay.
Is that light higher than this?
Yeah.
What sticks out
Pick
further?
up our 3.5.
You wouldn't be able to get it in otherwise.
3.5.
But were you gonna trim over top of that? I guess you're gonna have to.
You're gonna trim it over everything.
I know, but you think of over the siding, you know, but over top of that corner too, you're gonna have to trim.
Yeah, I'll trim.
So,
Yeah, I'll have to notch the whatever trim I
right,
do.
you have to do a little
I'll
notch.
notch behind the trim.
Right.
Yeah.
3.5.
So you're saying it won't go up over there?
3.5. Huh?
And we're saying it won't go up?
Yeah, no, you can't go up over that. You're gonna have to go to here. This is all far you're gonna get.
Yeah, I know, but will it go right here?
Inside there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should,
Yeah.
yeah.
But it won't go.
You
it's
just
not
have
gonna
to
go-
notch over the.
It's not gonna go. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be a notch where that white thing is.
Oh.
It has to be. 3 inches by quarter, I said, right?
Yeah.
I guess I'll understand it when I see it.
Yeah.
I don't understand it now.
All right.
It looks like it's the same as everywhere else.
No.
It's not. How would you get a piece in the full width? It's gonna hit that
3.5.
trim immediately. When you.
Well, we always
No,
leave.
the back wall, Mom. The back wall.
Oh.
You're not gonna, the back, not the side. You can't, if you measure the entire width, it's gonna immediately hit that trim before it would go in.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see, because that sticks out farther than this.
Yeah, exactly.
I gotcha.
Here, would you put that down there for a second? All the way up against your siding, you got it?
Yeah.
171.
Alright.
171 and 3.5.
3 inches and 171. Don't mess me up.
Well, 3.5 everywhere else.
Yeah, 3.5. Coming out, it's 170. I gotta measure from one end. You can't measure from this end and come back because you don't know where your adjustment's gonna be.
Right.
You just take a quarter inch off over there
Right,
and then slide everything this way. We're taking a half inch off and have a quarter inch plate on each side.
right.
But I can't trust taking a quarter from here and doing that because it doesn't really work that way.
Yeah.
I did it on my first box.
So,
I made it, but not very good.
so it's just gonna, the 3.5 goes to like,
It'll be a little gap there. It's 3.5 to here. All right.
And by the time you slide it in,
Time you slide in, you're gonna have a 1/4 inch gap here probably.
Mhm.
Unless we go a little tighter and tilt it down, but I don't think you can. I think you go 3.5. You just have your gap here,
I mean,
and it's all getting trimmed out anyway.
It is. It
See,
is.
whether we
So
do-
why make it hard?
Whether we're gonna do, you know,
The
the
white Versatex.
or we talk about crown, whatever. We do the white crown or whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
I think white crown will look pretty too. Not the wide stuff, the narrow stuff.
Oh, yeah.
You know, like the 2 inch. All right, we're back. Last piece. We won't show putting the trim up. We're gonna wait till we get all 3 decks done for that. But we won't wait for all 3 decks to put this video out either. Right?
That's right. Because they're gonna all be the same process.
Yeah, all the same process. We'll show you the completed video when they're all done.
Okay, I'm above my siding.
All right.
Are you on yours?
Yeah. Here's the tough part, it's right here in the middle. We got tilted down some. Not sure that's gonna be easy.
I can't tell.
Hold on. I have to get it in here. How are we gonna do that? How are we gonna do that?
Can you force it up?
No,
Yours won't go up.
no.
You got too big of a gap.
Well, it will.
Well, the thing is, wait.
No,
We don't want to scratch this.
You're not gonna
side.
scratch it, it's going up.
Thing is, it's bowed in the middle.
Right, here's the toughest part.
I worry about scraping the siding.
I'm not worried about scraping the side, I'm worried about getting it up there.
You can take your mallet.
I don't wanna bang it, I don't wanna break it.
If you're gonna break it, I think it's.
Now, you don't wanna push the back, you wanna push the front. You wanna push the front up, not the back up. Yeah, see? If you push the back up, it's not gonna go. There you go. Where's that pry bar at? Alright, hold on to it. Can you keep doing that while you're done?
Yeah, let me get all my things over here.
There we go. Good job, sir. Good job. All right, hold up. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't understand how tough it is when you have that.
You probably have to do that the whole way.
Hold on, I gotta nail it. How's there a gap down here?
You know what the problem is?
What?
You don't know where your joists are.
I do, I can see them. How's your gap? I don't get this thing too tight.
Well, down there, it's not in all the way yet.
Oh, do you need to go down your way? Go down and look. It's not gonna fall. Go down your way and look.
I don't know if I can push it in.
No, I need to go down your way, I think.
Oh, you mean push my way?
Yeah, how's that little piece of trim piece there?
I mean, I got a whole finger.
How's your trim piece there? You got a gap there, or
Yeah.
you need to go down your way a little bit? Huh?
Yeah, we can.
Alright, hold on. Whoops, too much?
Now it's touching, yeah.
I need too much, you need my way a little bit. Right,
Okay,
right there, how's that?
that's good.
Alright, leave it right there. Hold on now. I didn't really have to cut that out. Consider we got it above there, you know? I think we get it above there, but maybe we couldn't have got it above it though with it out, without cut out, you know?
Yeah, maybe not, I don't know.
I'm not sure why I'm not going in right here. What if I got a nail in the way?
Huh,
Well, I'm tight. Never mind.
are you?
Yeah, I'm like you. Doesn't look tight. All right, I'm gonna nail down here and work my way down, okay?
Okay.
Alright, just keep it down there. I'm gonna face nail it. Do I hit it down? It's not gonna fall. There you go. Alright, we're gonna face nail the last one. You'll never see the nails. Gonna pull it tight with a pry bar. Like so. That's Mama Joyce. Yeah. You want to push it over? Take the pry bar. Got it?
Yeah.
Way down.
Pretty much with my hand. Down here there's a big gap, so.
Got it?
See your joints?
Got it? Got it? Did we get one here? Yeah, right there. Got it. Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, last one. No, you're fine. Got it? There. That's it. Yep. That's it.
Like there was one over here. Did you get that one yet? You did.
Yep.
Make sure you get all your joints.
All right. That's a wrap on the
Yeah.
Versatech.
Okay. All done.
Good. All right. Got the camera over here.
Along the very top of your.
All right, so the soffit's all completed. I want to show what it looked like when it was all done. It's a little dirty. It's got some of the white PVC flakes on it. Needs to be cleaned off. We haven't taken a rag to it or not, but you can see where the fan, the lights. We got some exterior lights coming out here, and we'll do that beam in a wrap it in a PVC Versatech. We already have the material for that. I think I showed you in the outbuilding. And we'll put trim up along the edges up there. So we got trim going along the edge up there, and we got trim going this. Once we get that beam up there, we'll have trim going that edge, and then this back wall we have trim going up, and then the side wall over here. So, but I just want to show you what it looks like from the bottom, or at least from the deck. Looks pretty good, and we'll keep you posted on the other decks when we get those done. I'll show you some pictures of those. And just a quick look. There's where our deck is. And we got our deck all done. I think I showed that shot in the last video, and our deck building. But anyway, we are all moving along. There's a view from this deck. Pretty day out. It's about 50 degrees. Not much movement on the pond today. Very little wind, which is good. But we're going to move on the front porch today and do the soffit up there. So that is a wrap on the Versatech. Like I say, I'm sure a lot of you haven't seen this product before, but Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on next video.